want to take one of the improvement.
And this is always a good thing when you switch your auger out. You just strip the set up here. We better check out the branch tube. I just figured something out. They stack gears. If you look up, that's your upper heat, middle heat, lower heat. We're going to check out the pin. Ideal 9. Hello Farm Show. And I'm sure that's a Saisu engine. Those are really good engines. Difference. First thing I noticed is big gear case.